Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. According to need, you have to unmute yourself. Okay. So first of all are required to mute whenever required. Okay. Morning. Don't. Okay. Good morning to all. Just mute yourself. All are requested. Mute yourself whenever will be required. You need to unmute. Okay. So just I was today trying to connect through the laptop, but it is not getting connected. Just see, I have just kept in front of you here. It is not getting connected. That's why I am again conducting the class through the mobile network. Just join all the students required to join class so that I can start the class without any interruption. Okay, it's clear. Just see. It's clear, na? It's a clear, visible to all of you. Yesterday's video will be just uploaded by the computer teacher today. I have already sent the video so that he can create it and he will provide you through the YouTube channel. Okay. So just see, last day we had completed the chapter Human Life and a quick revision was also provided you. We have just completed the chapter and after that a complete revision we had done. So now there is no any chapter as per our syllabus. Only one chapter that is not in syllabus, but I told you that I will teach you. So we will go through that chapter, sources of energy. Okay, and when there will be the date for any type of examination, we will just stop the topic and then we will revise the same, which already we have finished. So once again, I am telling you that electricity magnetic effect we have already completed, and now our target is to complete the remaining chapter that is not in syllabus, but still we have to go through that. Okay, just today we will start the chapter sources of energy. Sources of energy we will start today, and in between we will also revise the chapter that is as per our syllabus. Okay, so this chapter have been given in your NCERT. This is just like the history. You need to understand the concept. So just come to the point. Sources of energy. This topic, energy. Energy is simply we have written capacity to do work. Just see capacity to do work. So we have to look for the sources. Sources means that may provide such capacity to do work. Okay, so just listen why we are looking for the different sources of energy. In previous classes, like in class 9, 8 also, we have gone through that energy. That source is very much important in our day-to-day life. Nowadays, we can't think, we can't consider any means any work that must require such type of energy. Like in our day-to-day life, just I am using mobile that will be charged through the electricity, and electricity is one of the source of, let's see, electric energy. So if you talk about the various sources of energy, then you will say the various types of energy: electric energy, sound energy, wind energy, hydroelectricity, wave energy, tidal energy, heat energy, etc. Many more. OTC also. Some of the different types of energies are also. These are one of the important sources of energy which we need in our day-to-day. Out of which, especially you talk about the electric. Everywhere, bulb, tube light, fans, television, refrigerator, heater, room heater, electric iron, laptop, mobile, whatever, all the things are everywhere in offices or in classes, schools, everywhere. This electric energy, so it has great impact on our day. Now, if you know about the all, one of the important source of energy is also petroleums, some of the fuels. If you talk about the fuel, these also provide the heat energy as well as light energy. So in junior classes or lower classes, we had also gone through the conversion of energy. So once again, I am telling you, you have to move parallelly with whatever is taught in the class. You have to complete in the notebook the same thing. Why? So that each and everything that will be here, that will be explained here, you will have in your mind. And as per the requirement, you need to note down whatever is important. And then you have to prepare the notes. Then in this way you will complete your note copy and no extra time you need to provide. Okay. So just see here. I think some of the students are still waiting. Just I am providing them, admitting all the them. Just see. So our target in this chapter, especially, we have to discuss. We have to hear. There is no any numerical concept. Okay. So one by one, whatever topic I am explaining, you need to note down so that you can prepare notes in the later. So first of all, various sources of energy are many more are there. Like I have also left here light energy. Light is also the form of energy. So light energy can also be written potential energy, kinetic energy, and overall combined together mechanical energy. So many more energy are there. Okay, not think that whatever I have written that is enough. No, many more are there also. So now our target is that sir, all these sources of energy are available here. That is fulfilling our, means you can say, comfortable life. We are spending comfortable life. Of course, these are very important, or it has great contribution in the spending of the comfortable. So here we have to see that nowadays one thing we will also discuss: energy crisis. What is energy crisis, and how can it be remote, or simply how can we get rid over this? Crisis means lack. You know, we are in habit. Traditionally, we are in habit to use coal, wood, cow dung cake. These are especially some of the fuels which are in common use in villages mostly, but nowadays it has changed the trend. LPG is in great demand. Everywhere it is approximately used. So I think we have to see that if sir already we have got source of energy like electric energy, then why there will be the energy crisis? We all know. We always hear that sir, due to the limited source, some of the sources are limited. Electricity is produced not directly. It is converted from some of these sources. If we here, sir, in the electricity, we have here the electricity we are getting in our home. How do they created? How do they produce? Of course, that is produced hydroelectricity. Hydro is simply water with the help of water. And generally, if the most of the electricity in our country, in India, about 65 to 70% electricity is produced with the help of coal. Just see, 65 to 70% electricity is produced by using coal. It means what? We are having maximum amount of coal in our country. That's why we are using coal for the production of electricity. So we will just discuss. First of all, we need to go for the various sources of energy, and after that, we have the sources. How it can be utilized. Out of these, most of the important is electric energy. Just see, if you are having coal in your home, what you do? You will simply burn the coal, the food will be cooked, and you can also use that heat during the cold weather to utilizations are available. But if this coal will be converted in the form of electricity, that electricity will be used in various appliances can be utilized. Electric heater, electric heater, room heater, refrigerator, fans, tube light, CFL, TV, mobile, laptop, everything can be utilized. So one conversion provides you the various ways. That's why we need the conversions. So electric energy is not a particular source like this is the wood. This is one of the source of heat energy. It will be burnt, it will be provided like this provided. But electricity is not a material or body that will be directly. So here we need to discuss about the various sources of energy and their utilization. And we know coal, how the coals are formed, how coal is used. So first of all, if you need to go through the detail that how the coal is used, we all know the coal takes approx million of years during its preparation. You know, you have gone through the topic that how coal is formed in junior classes. It is due to the decomposition of dead and decaying part of animal and plants over million of years buried inside the earth. So if the today the coal is finished, then a minimum million years it will take, then we will get back. And it is also limited. That's why we need to protect them. So what to do? That how it comes in the form of energy. So we have just after in the last some years we have heard that two or three production unit have been closed. So there will be a scarcity of electricity in Bihar. And you have also seen sometimes you get 24 hours electricity, but sometimes there is some reduction in the time. No 24-hour electricity is provided due to two or three units have been closed due to lack of coal. So after watching this, there may be if there is a crisis, what do you do if you all are dependent on coal for the electricity? So after watching its importance, you know importance of energy. Energy is if you go from electric energy. We all know what is the importance of electric energy in our day-to-day life. So how much it is important? If just imagine for 1 or 2 hours, suddenly the electricity is off without any information. No any information comes to you. Nowadays we have seen in paper it is provided that in particular area 2 or 3 hours or 5 hours the electricity is not provided due to the maintenance work. So suppose without telling you electricity is off for 2 or 3 hours, you know everywhere there is a problem. You have to prepare for school. There is no water in the tanks. How will you come? How will you prepare yourself? So these are some of the problems. And if you get ready without taking bath, but some of the important work will be performed, cannot be performed without it. Food, how it will be produced, how it will be prepared in kitchen, water is required. Everywhere it is required. So that is a big tension for us if it is off for us. Not only direct, all the things depend upon it. Water in all the houses, mostly water is taken through the motors, and for motor, electricity. So everywhere electricity is required. So what is importance? We are just watching if it is not available, how crisis can be overcome. So to see that its importance, we need to look for some of the alternate sources. Just see alternate sources of energy. Once again, this chapter mostly energy we are using means mostly that belong to electricity, electric energy, especially because you have no most of the things provide us energy, and especially not all energy will be converted to electricity. That will have a great use various. So just see now our target is especially after watching the importance why we are looking for alternate sources of energy. Just see why we are looking for alternate sources of energy. This is the question. Why we are looking for alternate sources? Means alternate sources thing in all the houses for food in kitchen, especially all have gas connections, and we have minimum cylinders in most of the houses. The family houses at least 2 cylinders are there. Why? Why not only having one? The another we have that suppose suddenly at night if the gas gets over, it is finished, then it will take some time to get another cylinder. There is some time. Similarly, one energy to another energy conversion requires time. That's what we have the second cylinder. See the alternate arrangement. And out of that also, if both cylinders gets over and we are not getting, sometimes it happens that it is very uh, poor condition in Gaya that we are getting in black marketing. Through black marketing we are sold. But nowadays we are getting very cooking on our homes. So if gas is not available in all houses, there are some alternate sources. Like earlier it was in the some of the sounds are kindly I have mute mute your sound is coming from your side, kindly mute. And according to need, I have told you again and again. I will not say. Simply I will remove. So don't interrupt in between the classes, kindly. So mute and as per requirement. So see. So we have also some of the important other sources in some where we have room heater that is for the getting simply we are having in cold days or in winter season the room heater. But if electricity is not there, what will we do? Simply we have coal, wood, that is alternator. Because you are having just you need to get heat, and that time suppose electricity is not available, what will you do? See, you are having alternate arrangement, that is the form of coal or wood. Similarly, if in all the houses every time electricity is not there, we have got inverter. Why? That will provide you the alternate arrangement. Suppose your mother is working in kitchen, mixer is in use, you have to crush the spices, and at that same time electricity has gone. What will you do? By using inverter we get. Okay, so these are some alternate sources we need to get, so that in future if there is any scarcity of electricity or directly the coal, especially in great demand, which is used, it gets finished because it is limited. So after watching the nature, some of the sources are limited. Limited sources, and second one is unlimited sources. Just see, very simple question is there. Generally not in specifically for the towns, but especially villages, or you have seen during the season of the wheat, during the season of rice, if you are having abundance of the rice in your home and limited source of wheat, then which will be in great demand, will be in great, of course, rice. बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है, एक बार सुन लो। जैसे अभी मान लो कि घर घर में चावल घर घर में हुआ है, गांव की बात, अगर हमारे घर में 100-200 बोड़े चावल रखे हुए हैं, गेहूँ 4 बोड़ा है, तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा किसका यूज करेंगे? जो अनलिमिटेड। अनलिमिटेड मीन्स नंबर इज मोर, तो वो ज़्यादा यूज करेंगे। जो लिमिटेड कम है उसको बचाएंगे। उसी तरह जब गेहूँ का सीजन होता है, देखो घर में गेहूँ ज़्यादा है, चावल कम है, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रोटी लोग खाते हैं। ये हम बात कर रहे हैं जहाँ एबंडेंस है, टाउन में जब खरीद के लाना है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली कोई परचेज। तो यही चीज यहाँ पर है कि वी हैव टू सी द नेचर ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस, which are limited or which are unlimited. So as per the energy crisis, which should be used more and more? Tell me, which should be your more and more, limited or unlimited? Anyone tell? Yes, tell. Unmute yourself and say something. No. Yes, this is live classroom. You need to interact. For your interaction I am seeking. It is not only the notes will be provided and you will not know. No, just interact, have the interaction. Say if it is wrong, no problem, I will make it clear. Tell me, which should be used more and more? Yes, of course. So these are the unlimited sources which need to utilize. Now just see, especially coal, wood, petroleum. If we are talking about the fuels which are in great use in olden times, this is the traditionally used. Nowadays LPG has taken its place, I'm telling, but these all are limited. This limited. So instead of using coal, wood, and petroleum, if we use sunlight, just think, sunlight provides us solar energy. Just see, it is unlimited. Solar energy, sun का एनर्जी कोई पैसा नहीं लगता, कोई पैसा नहीं, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। तो ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, अनलिमिटेड है। तो व्हाई नॉट यू यूज दिस इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस, बिकॉज दे आर लिमिटेड, they are not free, they have some of the money, and they also produce pollution. Means eco-friendly. Nowadays, it is a great word that we use, that sir, we all are just thinking about the global warming, whether it is of any topic, any region. This is very much important word, that global warming. So it is a matter of thinking, matter of imagination, that everyone is just all the scientists, they are also in trouble, they are also thinking like their night that how if global warming can be minimized. We all know that if global warming, what is its poor or bad impact on our life. Due to global warming, the main factor which is responsible mainly is pollution, whether it is air pollution or water. So after watching this problem, we need to utilize most of the things that is eco-friendly in the nature. See, I am just talking about the term eco-friendly in nature. So eco-friendly means which will not cause the pollution. So just see here, petroleum, wood, coal, all will cause pollution. Sunlight, solar energy, if it will cause very less, negligible. Similarly, wind is also unlimited, so it will provide us wind. So we will go in detail one by one. But here we are just moving, or we are just differentiating between limited or unlimited. So limited source should not be utilized. Unlimited source should be used. Why? It is unlimited in nature. Plus, some of the important points that also available. Limited source are free of cost and they are eco-friendly. You can use the word they don't cause pollution. But instead of that, a single word can be used, that is eco-friendly. And this is traditional in use, which are not eco-friendly. So after watching this demonstration, we can think to use the unlimited source of energy, which are the wave energy. Many more are there one by one. Now, after watching this or getting these important values, we have categorized all these sources of energy into two parts. Just see, and you have gone through that. Two types of sources of energy. The first one is a renewable source. A renewable source. Second one is non-renewable. Non-renewable source. Energy we are talking. So this will be again the example of this. Renewable means, just see, renewable, which can be used again and again, like solar energy, wind energy, many more are there. Non-renewable, coal, petroleum. So our target is here that we have to use the whichever is unlimited. So here again they are unlimited. Means our target is to use renewable sources of energy. Clear now? Why we need to use or utilize the renewable sources of energy? Then you can give some of the points in favor of renewable. If anybody asks you, sir, why not non-renewable? Why not non-renewable? If anybody asks, why not non-renewable? It means what? You have to tell the negative aspect of non-renewable. Just see, two things are there. Why it should be used? If you are asked, then you have to tell the property of it. If you are asked why it should not be used, then you have to tell the negative aspect. don't write each and every. Once again, I am telling, if you are asked to compare, to differentiate between, then you need to write both sides. But if you are asked, suppose we are comparing two y, that is good y. Then if anyone asks, sir, why, sir? He will not say, sir, this uh, uh, hold, this is not the characteristic of goodness. Only you need to say the points regarding goodness. And if other is said, sir, no, he is bad one, then you will not say, sir, he respect his gender. This is not the sign of the goodness. You have to explain in favor of badness one. So if you anyone asks why not negative aspect, you have to explain. If anyone asks why renewable system should be used, then you have to say positive aspect, that is advantageous, that is in favor of human being. So once again I am saying you have to prepare the note copy. So there you will prepare answer that will differentiate, just see, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Sources of energy. So you have to differentiate. Yes, you can categorize in this one. They are renewable, they are non-renewable. And what will you do? You will just start with the points. Just in this way, I am telling you, differentiate air renewable with non-renewable. And some of the points. First of all, the points will be that renewable. You need to define the term renewable. How renewable source can be defined. That will be the first point I am telling first. Second one, all the renewable sources are unlimited. Unlimited. So this will be unlimited. This is limited. Third, regarding the cause of pollution, all the renewable sources are approximately eco-friendly. They don't cause any pollution. Third point, they are not eco-friendly. That is not. Fourth point, some of the examples will be provided. You can write. Fifth point, they are free of cost. They are not. Of course, if you will say sir, solar energy is not free. No, it is free. Only you need to invest money regarding the appliance. But if you are using sunlight for the production of for the charging of solar plate, have you paid any time? No. But whenever you charge your mobile laptop through electricity, you have to pay. That's why it is not free. But that is free. Only once you need to get or invest your money. After that, so they are unlimited. Okay. So 5 points I have told. I have provided you 5 points. It is not enough. It is not over. You can create your own points also. If you have just sir, I have 7 points. The next day, if I will start my class, you can provide sir out of your 5 points. I have also got some of the points and your WhatsApp. You can unmute yourself. You can provide them so that all the other students will also get the points. So here our target is to exchange our ideas or views. If any other answer you have got, you need to interact with me also with other students. What will happen if that will be wrong? It will be corrected. If it is okay, other will be benefited. Okay. So don't think that sir, it may be wrong. Okay. If it will be wrong, then no problem. We will make it correct. So your homework will be this for today, and each and every point you have to start with the after watching its importance, if the crisis will come, how it will be removed, how will it be simply rectified. So that for that we look for the various alternate sources of energy, and after watching this alternate sources of energy, we need to categorize them into two forms, that is in proper use and that should be used. Means we are not completely still. You have heard petroleum in towns in a metropolitan city like Delhi. due to the pollution or even system was implemented there. And nowadays, instead of petroleum, CNG, PNG, many more modified simply that will not cause the pollution, that are friendly. CNG are used in the way. It is not proper used in our behalf. No. So that will cause very less amount of pollution. No. In petroleum, our country is also very, very poor regarding the production of the petroleum. So we need to also get that limited, which is limited. We need to utilize, you need to minimize its usage by using CNG batteries. So we'll see next classes. We will learn one by one. So you need to categorize them, and then renewable, non-renewable sources of energy we have already discussed. Now one by one, as per our syllabus, some of the renewable sources will be discussed. After that, non. So this is for today's class. Whatever you have gone through, you need to note down. If any problem comes, talk. Okay. So good day to all of you. हाँ बोलो जी. Proper statement that we all are or our life is comfortable due to the presence of various sources of energy. Example, electricity can be provided. So if it is being produced by using the limited source, and if it will be finished, then we have many more problem. Even we can't spend our life, we can't survive. So get over these problems, we need to look for some of the alternate sources. Okay. 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 Okay, good day to all.